Oh, looks like someone's in trouble. This doll certainly needs a makeover. Dye the hair black and braid it nice and tight. Oops! Pale face. And this freezing cold look. It's Wednesday! Wait, is that plastic wrap? And hot glue? Oh, that's a perfect tale. Now Mermaid Wednesday can explore the depths of the sea. Toilet. Okay, there's your problem. A doll's clogging it up. Ew, so much for the Malibu Dream Toilet. Let's clean you up, starting with these blemishes. We'll need toothpaste, a lot of toothpaste, and glitter. After all, glitter just makes everything better. Barbara's already looking ready for the signature collection. Oh, we need to do something about that hair. Good idea. The shaved look's really in right now. And speaking of shaving, let's keep on grooming. All we need is something a little sticky. Wax on, wax off. Now that's smooth. Sit down and relax. It's time for a manicure. Just like hair, sometimes nails need a little extension. Of course, sometimes less is more. Now for some color. Pink, because it's kind of her color. Hey, watch your step! Okay, you need some shoes. What to use? What to use? Aha! Some foil! Good thing no one's using it. Wrap around. Add some hot glue. And paint it whatever color you like. Or better yet, cover it up with glitter. But you'll need some heels if you want to walk tall. Oh, so sparkly. All we need now is a yellow brick. What a day. Let's just lie back and relax. Hey, what's that smell? That's not it. Guess Dolly's deodorant is sold separately. Great idea. We can blame a dog. Chicken. Or maybe the bowl can help. Let's give it a nice new paint job. We want it to sparkle and shine. Add a little spigot and run some water. Oh, a jacuzzi! Step right in. The water's fine. Let's whip her up some swimwear. We just need a few of these buttons. Fill them up. They're just the thing for your brand new bikini. You've got the bottom half, so let's just add glitter. Now careful, it may be deeper than it looks. Ah, don't worry, help is on the way. That thing around your neck might help. It's a fidget pop tube. Fold into a donut. And while we're at it, let's accessorize. It's a unicorn. And more importantly, it's a pool floaty. Uh-oh, someone just had an accident in the pool. We can make something to help. Cut off a bottle top. Add a lid, maybe a nice tank. And we've got ourselves a toilet. Guess our friend likes it. Maybe a little too much. Hi, thing. Where's Wednesday? Oh, there she is. Sorry, Pigtails. She's in the mood for a buzz cut. Chains for hair? Guess we should call her Goldilocks. Shoes are like potato chips. You can't stop at one. And I don't mean one for each foot either. Leave the see-through shoes to Cinderella and add color. Add sparkles. Oh look, a conveniently placed picnic. But even better, we've got free foil and a brand new top. Let's add pearls. Let's hope you like muffins, because their wrappers make a nice ruffle skirt. And you've got plenty of lashes to go around. She'll never shop retail again. And for the guys, some hair can cover up that baby face of his. Now let's take some chewing gum and give him some abs. Would you believe he's never been inside a gym? Let's fix up his wardrobe. A glove becomes a stylish suit. For the top, let's draw on the buttons. Why not? People wear tuxedo print shirts all the time. Can't forget the bow tie. Red adds a little color. All this crafting sure is thirsty work. And this cup can help us make a brand new pair of shades. Wow, stop motion! Pulling out all the stops for this wedding. Here comes the bride. Sort of. Oh no! Great doing it. Looks like somebody dropped in for a visit. Why not have a makeover while you're here? Probably should do something about that head situation. It's Pikachu! And what a sharp dresser! Oh, mommy's impressed. Like dinner date impressed. May we interest you in the house special? Let's roll out some dough. Add some cheese and toppings. And your pizza's ready. Now for your next course. A whole turkey. Or would you prefer ham? Ooh, and some fruits on the side. But I think these two are ready for dessert. Look, it's a pony! Our horsey friend could use a makeover too. Let's start by managing this mane. Now a dye job for the rest of the horsehair. Fresh coat for a coat. Now take some ribbons. All the colors you want for a new mane. Now let's add a horn. Add something for those hooves. And pretty soon, it's time to ride off on your brand new rainbow unicorn. Okay, who's been flushing the wet wipes again? You'll need a plunger. Get one toothpick, add a suction cup, and paint it red. That should take care of that. How many licks will it take to get? Now, never mind. Let's see if we can make our own fancy toilets. Start with a plastic bottle and add the trappings. Now we just need treats that'll fit inside the bowl. Here, take a handful. Aw, what a cute backpack. Ooh, looks like it's got plenty of junk in the trunk. But we don't need a fancy duck. Just take a balloon, cut it up, and fill it with glue. Twist it up nice and tight. We don't want it to leak. Plop it on, and any backpack can become nice and squishy. They're also great for bongo practice. It's always fun blowing up bubbles. Especially when they don't pop so easily. Stack them up. We could make furniture. Forget air mattresses. We've got a whole couch. Why stop there? Dolly wants a new dream house. Then again, these bubbles can still be fragile. How about this? Take some clear tape, add some sparkle. And start pumping. It's not so tough making a bubble with muscle. Needs a face. Make the eyebrows extra fancy. Now you've got a brand new bubble buddy.
Yay!
Looks like he's a tough cookie. Just don't press your luck. Come here, puppy. Such a good girl. You deserve a treat. Uh-oh. Bring on the pooper scooper. Hey, don't touch that. Here, you can play with this stuff instead. Fold it up. So we can make our own puppy. We just need to add a head on top. He's even got a friend. Let's dance. This should make these headphones extra soft. And if it cancels out noise, we can turn up the music. We can make more. Fill buttons with glue. Take off the bottom half of a bottle cap and stick it inside before it dries. Now, let's get this party started. Though a new do probably wouldn't hurt either. Some yarn can help. Get out the needle and thread. I guess this doll's going for that platinum blonde look. You can't get hair this soft and thick with conditioner alone. I've heard of tossing cookies, but Skittles? Line them up and add some water. Looks like her new hair is super absorbent. Now Barbara has hair like a rainbow. When it comes to highlights, you just can't pick one. Blue juice. Wow, it's hot out. Maybe we can provide some shade. Use this bottle cap as a model. And add yarn, so we can make a nice sun hat. Don't forget the rim. Much better. And it's great for some alone time. What else can we make to help? Make some cuts on an old plastic cup. And we've got some sunglasses. Gotta get those lip exercises in. Come on, baby, we can't skip lip day. Ah, nice and fuller. But let's add some color. Lips are done. Now for the cheeks. Who needs rouge when you've got stickers? Actually, they're great all over. She's looking great. Inspiration strikes! Cut a little off your sock. Take the wiring off this clip and wrap it up. Tie it up. Now it's time to bring back that old handle. Can't beat a new handbag, especially ones with candy. But it looks like she needs to take a seat. Take this plastic egg Add paint and, oh, what else? Ah, glitter!
Ooh.
Add a leg, and it's the perfect chair. Just add a cushion and relax. Oh, popcorn! Must have been hungry. Oh, I guess not. Oh, don't worry, girl. We got you covered. Break a toothbrush and add a little toothpick. And she's got a new broom. Also handy if she wants to play a witch. Huh? What the? Looks like rain. Take a bowl. Add color. And a handle for a stylish new umbrella. Probably should fix the ceiling, but this works too. Now get out a handkerchief, probably a clean one. And hot glue a soda bottle cap around it. Cover the cap with fabric. Add some ears on the side and 2 eyes on top. Draw a little mouth, and don't forget the nose. We just need to make a few more adjustments. Soon enough, we've got a cute little cat-faced backpack.